In today's episode, we'll talk about a topic that interests many people: how to sell your car for the best possible price. How to make the buyer see the car and say, yes, this is the car I'd gladly pay for. Today, we'll go step by step through the most important things you need to do before you put your car on the market to ensure a guaranteed deal and a good price. Ready? Let's go. How to sell your car for the highest price and in the shortest time? The first thing you need to understand is that you're in control of the selling process. Good planning and how you present the car will determine the final price, not the buyer. Another crucial point: timing. Selling your car when the market is active makes a significant difference in the price. Now, let's go through the most important things you need to do before listing your car. First step, fixing faults and defects. Before you even think about posting an ad or listing the car, you need to make sure it's working properly. Fix any mechanical or electrical faults, and pay attention to small details like a broken light, a minor scratch, or a malfunctioning button. These things make a huge difference in the buyer's impression. Step 2, choose a good display location. Display your car in a clean, well-lit open space, such as a spacious parking lot or in front of your house if space allows. A clean location showcases the car in the best possible light. Step 3, car cleanliness. No buyer likes a car that looks neglected. Clean the car inside and out, including the upholstery, dashboard, trunk, and everything else. Step 4, choose the right time. Sale times, the end of the year, or periods of high demand are all opportunities to raise your price. Step 5, know your car's true value. Before setting your car's price, compare it with similar cars, use appraisal websites, or ask an expert to be realistic, and avoid undervaluing yourself. Step 6, prepare your documents. Any buyer prefers dealing with a knowledgeable and experienced car seller. Proof of ownership, maintenance history, and accident reports, if available, increase the buyer's trust and, consequently, a better price. Step 7, transparency. Don't hide defects. Be honest and clear about everything that has been repaired or changed. Honesty earns the buyer's trust and puts them at ease in their purchase decision. Step 8, get multiple appraisals. Show your car to more than one buyer or dealership. The more options you have, the higher your chances of getting a better price. Step 10, monitor market prices. Compare models in the same category and see their prices. This will help you set a price that suits the market and attracts more buyers. Step 10, cash payment upon delivery. Agree on cash payment upon delivery, as this is better, easier, and avoids any financial problems or delays. Step 11, meet the buyer in an official location, whether it's a mall, gas station, or a government office. Complete all paperwork legally and clearly to protect your rights. Step 12, professional photos for the advertisement. Photography isn't a luxury, it's essential. Take clear photos from the front, side, back, and interior, and highlight the car's features as much as possible. And a final tip: offer a price with a little room for negotiation, as this attracts people. Mention features like the car has recently had its oil and filters changed, or it has excellent fuel economy. If you follow these steps one by one, believe me, you'll sell your car quickly and for the price it's worth, maybe even more. In conclusion, we can say that selling your car easily and at the best price requires planning and attention to detail. From maintenance and cleaning to photography and preparing the paperwork, every single one of these steps makes a difference in the final price. If you follow what we've discussed today, believe me, you'll sell quickly and at a price that satisfies you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for a new episode.